Hey guys, how to fix a position by cursor in JRC ECDIS. So let's see. At first you click on menu, then from here you click on tools, then here you click on manual position fix. Okay, now here you see the option plot by cursor. You click on this. Now you take the position from the GPS and here you see the cursor readout, and you put the cursor in the position that you have taken from the GPS. So from here you can check the position in the cursor readout. Okay. Point the cursor in the position that you have taken from the GPS, then you click on. Okay, done. From here you see the option plot type. I am selecting deer. Okay, done. Okay, done. I hope by using this method you can plot position in JRC ECDIS by using cursor. That's for today guys. Thank you.